all of you. Hi everyone, this is me Vijaya Dash and welcome back to my YouTube channel Vijaya.net. How is it going in this new year? I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty, and I'm also keeping cool and dandy by the grace of Almighty. So I'm wishing all of you the happiest new year ever. May it be filled with new adventures and good fortunes for you. And may this new year bring joy, then pleasure, happiness, and may it fulfill your every aim, and may it bring for you joy, happiness, peace in your life, love, everything that you need in this year, and also the abundance in your life. I'm wishing all of you the best luck. I hope you will be also able to fulfill your all kinds of aim in life in this year. I mean, your every kinds of plan, and you will also be very active about the aim in life of your. And I'm wishing all of you the best luck for this new year. Just carry on and go on about your aim and go on your aim in life. So thank you so much guys, and I have also got many kinds of aim, and not aim, I have got one aim, and I have got many plans for this new year. So also pray for me so that I will be able to fulfill that. So I'm also wishing you, and I'll also pray for all of you so that you will be able to fulfill your ambition, and me also will be able to fulfill my ambition if you pray for me. So thank you so much guys for enjoying this video, and enjoy your life and enjoy this new year in a great way. Thank you so much. See you in the next, and also don't forget to pray for me for this new year. Thank you so much. Bye bye.